Hi, this is Abel Stewart. Hello again. Welcome to our piano lesson series. So if you've been following along so far the lessons in order, we've learned the G and the D chords. We've learned a couple songs, Father Abraham and Hush Little Baby, and we've learned some basic accompaniment patterns that you can use with those. I'm going to teach you another chord. This is the C chord. All right, C chord. So find your G, which is kind of where we started before. What you're going to do now is this thumb. You're actually, start your G right here with your pinky. Keep that grounded. Don't move that. All right. And what you're going to do is move your other two one over. So you're going to go. Your thumb moves here, and instead of moving your index finger, just pick it up with your middle. Thumb, middle, pinky, like that. So that makes it fairly easy to change between those. This just stays in place. That makes sense? So G, C, G, C. Again, the notes here, C, E, G, just right there. All right. With your left hand, you can pick up, a little hard to see there, with the left hand, the pinky down here. There we go, right there. So the pinky there. Or you can also do it with a thumb up here, either way. But this group of two is the one right below that, right? You remember when you found your middle C right here? Right below that group of two, same thing down here, below the group of two. All right, so G, B, D, G, C, and again, remember, don't move your pinky. C, G, C, E, G. So G chord, C. So practice changing, so da 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 da, change like that. Change between those and just get really comfortable with that. And if you can do it all at the same time, get really comfortable changing between that G and the C, right? Keep working on that. Now, at the same time, remember you have your G and your D. So what you can do is G, C, G, D, G. And that actually sounds kind of like a nice chord progression for songs. If you can get really comfortable with that, you're going to be in really good shape for a lot of our songs going forward. So again, G, C, G, D, and then back to the G. Now, if you want to practice going C to D, that's not a bad idea either. The only thing is, because everything is moving, so that makes it a little tricky. But remember, okay, pinky, and the left hand's going to change to your ring finger there, right? Here, you're on your C, and what's going to happen, your ring finger picks up this one. Your middle finger, so really your index finger kind of stays where it is, like that, and then your thumb shifts down, two down to the A. So practice that a couple times. That's kind of its own thing. C, and here. That's not quite as easy and smooth because you don't have any specific anchor note, but just practice that and it'll get more comfortable with time. All right, and then similarly here, C, D. So C, D, C, D. And remember our sequence before was G, C, G, D, G. So get super familiar and comfortable with those three chords. We're going to use them a lot going forward. Now, if you remember our alternating pattern that we learned before with the C, what you're going to do is you alternate with the C and the D and the G. C, C, G, C, G, C, E, C. Then the so your left hand notes is the C and the G. C, G. But this is for the C chord, okay? Just like that. And if you want to get ambitious, you can do. Remember the alternating bass here? C. back to the G, D, just like that. All right, so practice those accompaniment things we did earlier, but get really comfortable with those 3 chords, and we'll use them a lot going forward. Hope that helps.